We're going to be continuing with Code Combat. Now, if you didn't finish the other course, you can continue with that one, okay? So some students, they did not finish Code Combat Computer Science 1. This is Code Combat Computer Science 2. So if you didn't finish Code Combat Computer Science 1, you could work on that. And it's okay if you need extra time, because I understand that the children are still adapting to the remote learning. So if you're not up to Computer Science 2, it's okay. You can finish Computer Science 1, and then you slowly catch up, and eventually you'll be with the rest of the class. Okay, so now we're on to Computer Science 2, number 1, Defense of Plainswood. Villagers must survive, okay? Move your mouse cursor over a spot to find the X, Y numbers of your location. So this is something that we did with Scratch. You have a different location on the screen. So we do start level. And the villagers must survive, okay? So use your build XY skill to build 2 fences, okay? So we have to build our fences, and we have to help the villagers here, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. Hover your mouse over the world to get the XY. So you see, I have my mouse, and it tells us the X and the Y, okay? So X is left and right, and Y is up and down. So you see, I have it here. It tells me a number up here, and then down here I see a number as well, okay? So I have my different numbers by the different locations on the screen. So we have a location up here, and we gotta go right in the center of it. There we go, X 40, Y 53. So let's do this. Let's say hero build XY, hero build XY fence. And where did we want to do that? We wanted to do that at 40 and 50, maybe 53, 40 and 53. So make this 40 and make this 53. Okay? And the next thing we got to do, we got to build a fence down here. Okay, we got to do this one. So we say hero build XY, and you're going to call it the fence. What is he going to build the fence? Maybe around 40 and maybe 20 or 21. Let's try 40 and 21. 40 and 21. Okay, and then we click run. And now he builds the fence, and it blocks the person over there. It's great. So now we're on to the next one. Now here you have to move using the X and the Y here. Okay, so my computer got a little frozen here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so when you click run, we'll just see how it goes when you run. You see he goes up, and now we're moving with the X and the Y. So notice where I put my mouse, you see it has an X and a Y. So Y is up and down and X is left and right. So over here, it's X 17, Y 37. Over here, it's, oh, gotta get this out of the way, okay? You see the different spots, they have different numbers, okay? You see, like this would be X 37, Y 13. So where you wanna go, you point with the mouse. So let's take a look. Let's try, let's see, 36, 59. 59. Yeah, let's run. Okay, so we got that. Okay, he's got that. Now he's got to keep going. Okay, so let's look around. Let's try down here. Okay, 37 and 12. Move. 37. 12. Let's run that. So he goes this way. Good, he's got that. Now we want him to go this way. Okay, so we get a general sense where we want him to go. Here we'll move. And run. Oh, we'll put space in there. Okay, now he's getting his thing here. Now he's got to build the fence here. So we did the fence in the other one. So here's where our fence is going to be. And we do hero build, XY. He's going to build the fence. Let's try, okay, 91, 24. Now he's moving to those spots, so we have to do the coordinates here. You see each spot on the computer has an X and a Y coordinate, and that's done for that one. Let's look at the third one. Okay, now here we have to direct the hero again using the X and Y coordinates. Okay, so let's look at the program before we do anything here. Let's just see how it goes. He runs. He's moving. Okay, he's moving over that way. Oh, didn't work out. Okay, so we got to gather the gems and we got to get to the exit. Let's look over here. Oh, computer froze. Okay, so we have over here. We want to get the gem over there. So let's make this 1135. 1135. How did I know? Because I go towards the gem and that's the number that they have, right? So I run. Let's just see how that goes. Good. Well, now this program's wrong though. This part is wrong. So let's try this. Let's try 36, 25, 35, 24. Let's run that. So now he's going to the gem. Good, so those two work, but the problem is now he's getting a little bit lost and he's going the wrong way. We want him to go up here, which is going to be 4156. We could do 4055. We'll do that about 40. You don't have to get it exactly, just in the general sense. 55. And then we got to go to this last gem here. Oh, my computer's frozen. Last gem here, around 77, 58. Let's try 77, 58. Let's run. Now he gets his gem. Good, so he's got that. Okay, number 4, and this is a while true loop. This is a repeat loop, just like you would do with Scratch. So we have to have the guy go around in a circle here. So what we have to do is we got to look at these numbers for the coordinates. So this one's around 40, 56, right? This one is 56, 54 according to them. Then we have this one over here, which is 25, 43. This one's 24, 23. Then we have 40, 13, and 56 and 25. So we're going to put it here. Now everything that's indented over here is in the loop. So here that move. And we're going to have, what did I say? I said 24. I think I said 24, 44. Yeah, okay, that was that one. Now over here you got to do indent, so do tab. Do tab. Okay, make sure you do tab that it's all over this way. You don't want it on to the left because it's outside the loop. You got to do a tab over here, okay? And I think it was 24, 24. And this one was 40, 11. I got to do a tab. Ooh, 40, what was it, 11? Then I got to do 5723. Now remember, I do enter, make sure it's all tabbed over here, that it's all in this while true loop. So everything that's tabbed over is in this while true loop. Hero that move, and 56, 24 that was. So now it's running in a loop. Okay, so everything, this is a while true loop, this is a repeat loop. Everything that's tabbed over here, he's going to do it. He goes here, he goes here, he goes here, he goes here, all the way around in a loop, right? So now he's doing his loop. And remember, the coordinates are shown when you go and put your mouse on each one. Okay, so now he's going around in a loop. Okay, so we'll go done. Okay, now we're on to number 5, Woodland Cubbies, and we're going to use an if. So this is a conditional, just like Scratch, we would say, if touching color, stop the game, or if touching this, get a point. Now we're going to use if in here. Okay, so let's look what they have here. So first the hero is going to move, and here's our conditional. If there's an enemy, what is he going to do? He's going to attack him 2 times. So over here, if there's an enemy, attack 2 times. Now the hero is going to move to here. Okay, it's going to move to like 4951, right? 4951. And what are you going to do with this enemy? If there's an enemy, what are you going to do? Hero attack. Okay, and then we say hero attack. Okay, so see what we're doing. First we're saying move to 1913, which is I'm sorry, 1933, which is here. And then we say if there's an enemy, attack 2 times. Then we move to 4951, which is here. If there's an enemy, attack 2 times. And then what are we going to do? Now we're going to move to 5814 down here. And we're going to say if there's an enemy, what are you going to do? You're going to hero attack. And we're going to say hero attack. Now we got a little bit of an error here. Up here you got to put an if enemy. Okay, if enemy over here, and now he's going to attack. Okay, because you have to make it look like this. If enemy, hero attack. If enemy, hero attack. Enemy, if enemy, hero attack. And then here are our movements, right? 1933. Then we have 4951 over here, and then we have down here 5814 down here. And then you say if there's an enemy, what do you do? Hero attack, submit.